Hey guys, this is Mr. James from the Kenai Community Library coming at you with a different kind of Maker Monday. Now today, rather than making something for American Girl dolls or designing some cool Lego designs, I just wanted to take a minute to highlight some STEM kits that we have available here at the library, available for checkout for 3 weeks. So the two kits I wanted to concentrate on today are our coding kits. Coding 1, the robot mouse, and coding 2, the Ozobot bit kits. So go ahead and let's take a look at what's inside these kits. Now, upon opening your kit at checkout, there will be in every kit a little form just like this. And inside these flyers, it'll highlight the inventory of each kit and highlight just what the general scientific purpose of the kit is. So you want to check out these flyers when you check out the kit. Also inside each kit are wonderful books related to that kit's theme. But the kits have some cool interactive components too. So for the Ozobot kit, we are going to be looking at the Ozobots, and for the Robot Mouse kit, we'll of course be looking at the Robot Mouse. So let's take a look. So for our Coding 2 Ozobot Robot kit, we can see that it comes with a really cool little carrying case filled with our Ozobots and some markers necessary for the coding and some pre-made tracks that are included in the Ozobot kit. But let's find out, what do Ozobots do and how is this coding? Well, we can move our kit over here. And the Ozobots are little robots that respond to color coding, and that is the reason for the different markers: black, green, blue, and red. And so because it's color coded, each marker set up in a different pattern does cause the robot to do different things. So I made, actually I didn't make this sheet, the sheet was included in the kit. I think a young patron made this sheet. They have already made necessary codes. In this case, there's a trail of black that the robot follows. They made a blue, green, and red code. Let's find out what the robot does when it sees blue, green, and red. So it speeds up. And then right here it stops on this combination. And let's see what it does. It slows down. And right here it causes it to do some squiggling. And so let's try it going the other way, because that changes the pattern. So it's going to follow right along the black trail, hit the pattern from a different angle. Ooh, it reverses, does a little dance right here. And let's see what it does here at the end. And it stopped right there. So really fun to work with patterns and different kind of trails that you can make with your Ozobot. A lot of fun and a lot to learn with coding. All kinds of cool stuff you can do. The kit includes 2 Ozobots and a power cord, the markers, and the track. So hope you guys enjoy that one. All right, so for our Coding 1 Robot Mouse kit, let's open it up and take a look. It will of course include our handout and the various books about coding, but it also includes this handy case filled with track for our robot mouse. And our robot mouse is also included here. So I'm going to scoot some of this stuff over here, and let's figure out how our robot mouse works for coding. When we open up our case, we can see all the track in here. There's a tunnel included in the kit as well. There's also all sorts of placard cards that give you little challenges, and you can see they range in difficulty. This is card number 1, which I'll set up for you today, but you can do all sorts of kind of difficulty there and try and see if you can figure out how to get the mouse programmed to get the wedge of cheese. So let's do that together here real quick. And this is a wonderful coding activity that's perfectly appropriate for ages 4 and up. So let's take a look at this. So you can see from the placard that we have a very simple track. Now let me show you what each thing represents. We have our wedge of cheese here. We have our mouse. If you look closely, it should be right along this starting point for our mouse, and our wedge of cheese is right on this one. But these purple ones also represent something, so let me get those out for you. Okay, so now we have our purple little rectangle here that encompasses our mouse, just in case our mouse goes a little crazy here. So next, you turn on the mouse using the on switch here. You have normal speed or hyper speed. I'm just going to turn it to normal. And I want to go up 2 squares to get to that cheese. So I'm just going to hit this one twice. And green. Let's see if he does it. 1, 2. Guess what? We made it, and we coded because we had to click the square twice to get to the cheese. Now let's try the next one. Okay, so for our next placard, you can see that our mouse is going to need to take a right turn. He's going to turn right. So let's turn on our mouse. There it is. I'm going to hit go up 1, turn right, and go up. So we're going to go here, turn right, go up. Let's see what happens. And we did it. We got our wedge of cheese. So this is super fun, very engaging and interactive for any kiddos there that are interested, and really fun to set up and learn the different placard cards. So anyway, I challenge you guys to check out a STEM kit today, all about coding, and enjoy those kits for up to 3 weeks. You guys take care and have a wonderful week. Bye, guys.